Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dipshika and you are watching Study with Dipshika. So today I am going to talk about life in Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Educational and Research Institute, Ranchi. I study in this college and I think that I am the right person to tell you everything you want to know about this college. Like it in the life in Ramakrishna Mission, about the professors, about the different courses. But mainly I will focus on the course that I am pursuing, that is ARTD, Agriculture, Rural and Tribal Development. Do watch the full video as today I am going to talk about all the pros and cons of doing a BSc in this college. Today only I am going to talk about the life in Ramakrishna Mission, not particularly about the courses. So, but I want to mention that the course I am doing is a very unique course as it is an integrated course in ARTD. You can do BSc plus MSc from here, or you can do BSc and you can go somewhere else in other colleges to do the MSc. First of all, I want to say that Ramakrishna Mission has a really good name. It is not because of its beautiful campus or it is very old, but because many or a good amount of alumni has passed from this college and they are in a very good places right now. Now I want to talk about the things that I like about this college the most. So first is look wise, it's a beautiful college. The infrastructure is very good and the atmosphere and the environment that this college provides us is so peaceful and so green. Outside the college you will find a Ramakrishna Mission ashram. In the evening, Aarti is going on. You can attend that Aarti session, and it is also a very peaceful and green area. Beside the Ramakrishna Mission College, there is Tagore Hill. So those who are connected with nature, with mountains, trees, they will find really a very good place to visit, and you can sit there at the time of lunch and after the college. Near the college there is KVK Divyan of Ramakrishna Mission. We go for practicals there. It's a very beautiful place. You will find the different enterprises in the same area. It is a very big area. You will find the mushroom cultivation there, beekeeping, dairy, fishery and many more. So we really like to visit that place, and you will get the practical works there, and you will visit Divyan a lot of time, and it also give a very peaceful environment and you will feel very good visiting there. I mean that if you are thinking of a good life in a college, then surely you will get it in this college. The second thing I like about this college, or particularly about my course, is that the people who can't afford much or have some financial crisis of or financial issues, they can also study here, because this college, particularly for my course, provides some type of scholarship for OBC and SC/ST. There are different type of scholarship, and for general also who are belonging to the EWS category, they provide the scholarship to them also. So this scholarship help a lot, and I like this about the college, that yes, means any people can study here. If you can't afford the fees also, then also you will get the chance here. Third thing that I like about the college the most is that every time something is going on in this college, like some workshop, some celebration of some festivals, then sports day, exhibitions, means different type of activities are going on, and I think every person like this type of activities in the college. The fourth thing that I like about my college is that the dress code, a uniform dress code. Many people don't like it, means to wear a same dress code in college, but there is only a one dress code, and I think it is a very good to have a uniform dress code. You don't have to think every day that what to wear. Now let's talk about the seniors and the professors of this college. This college has provided me very good seniors, very cooperative seniors, and very friendly professors. Means they are so good that they are ready to help you anytime. means everyone here, the staffs, professors, the students, juniors, seniors, everyone is so cooperative. That means I like to go college every day, and I feel college my second home. We have talked about the pros of this college. Then let's talk about some cons of this college. But according to me, there is no cons here. Means it's a good college, but it can be a con for someone else, na? So I am discussing it here. I want to tell that the people who want a lot of freedom, who don't want to attend the college regularly, and the people who want to do something else in their life, like they want to prepare for the competitive examination, so this college is not for you. Like there is less freedom in this college, means the attendance is very compulsory in this college. You have to come to college regularly, and you have to attend the classes from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You have to maintain a uniform dress code, a discipline. There is a hectic schedules, means you will be burdened with a lot of assignment and presentation. Every time you have to do some presentation, you will be burdened with assignments, then many examinations. That in 6 months you have to give 4 examination, that is UT1, then mid-sem, then second UT, and then final. So a lot of you have to face a lot of examination here. So the people who want to do something else with their life, or who want a lot of freedom, so I think that means you can think about this college, but I have said you the pros and cons. Now you can decide well. So in this video I have not talked about the different courses which are going in this college. I have talked about the life in this college, about my experience, okay, about my perspective. So if you want a video on different courses, then I can bring it. You can comment below, okay. So please like, share and subscribe this channel and help me to grow. It will take only a few seconds to like and comment, and share this who are the needy person, means who want the videos, who want a good college. You can share this with them. And if you have any queries, then you can comment below. I will surely reply there. Okay, so thank you. We will meet in my next video. Bye bye.